Hello my friends, my name is Fabio and today I will teach you how to play the song How Great the Words. On this particular version, I rearranged the song at the key of B. Before I continue, I would like to ask you to click on the like button. This way will help me to keep producing this kind of content for you and also to subscribe the channel. If you have any suggestions of other songs that you'd like to see me teaching here, you can leave your suggestions on the comments down below. So first of all, you have to set the tuning of your acoustic guitar to the standard E tuning. The chords that you play in order to perform the song, I will leave it on the screen for you to see right now. So now we will play the entire song, and at the end of the video I will explain all the details about how to play it, right? So let's play How Great the Words.
Oh Lord my God, when I in awesome wonder consider all the worlds thy hands have made, I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder, thy power throughout the universe display. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great the one, how great the one. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great the one, how great the one. And when I think that God his Son not sparing sent him to die, I scarce can take it in. That on the cross my burden gladly bearing, he bled and died to take away my sin. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great the one, how great the one. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great the one, how great the one. When Christ shall come with shout of acclamation and take me home, what joy shall fill my heart. Then I shall bow in humble adoration and then proclaim, my God, how great the one. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great the one, how great the one. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great the one, how great the one, how great the one, how great the one.
So the chords that you will play in order to perform the song are these ones. And there is also a tiny lick, a tiny riff that is the bridge between the first parts and when the tone of the song changes, alright? Which is this one. I will leave the tab somewhere around the screen, right? The strumming pattern that you play during the entire song is this one. It's a mix of strumming, only hitting the strings without hitting the notes, which adds an interesting kind of percussive sounds to the song. So I've already recorded a version with CAPO some months ago. I will leave the link with the cards somewhere on the screen if you want to play it using a CAPO with a different kind of arrangement. Alright, like I've said before, if you want to support the channel and this video was useful for you somehow, you can click on the like button and also subscribe the channel, alright? This way will help me to keep producing this kind of guitar lessons for you and also for other people who like to learn how to play those worship songs and also other songs as well. If you have any suggestions of other songs that you'd like to see me teaching here with those easy arrangements that I used to develop, you can also leave your suggestions on the comments down below. So I believe that's pretty much it. I hope you liked it and I see you on the next video.